Welcome students. Myself, Mr. P.P. Sutar, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Gopal Krishna Gokule College, Kolhapur. Students, in the previous lecture, we have seen the Woodward-Fisher rules for the calculation of lambda max values in dienes and enones. Now, in this lecture, we are going to solve the problems based on the calculation of lambda max value of dienes and enones using Woodward-Fisher rules. Now here the problems on dienes with a solution is given. In the first problem, the diene system is shown double bond, single bond, double bond. This is a diene system, it is acyclic, and here it is a substituent on the diene. Okay, and therefore for acyclic diene the base value is 214 nanometer, and one alkyl substituent add 5 to the base value, and therefore lambda max becomes 219 nanometer. Now in the second example, the diene system is shown, it is a semi-cyclic, and the diene system starts here, okay, double bond, single bond and double bond. Here is a one substituent and another substituent, A is a one while B is another, and therefore there are two substituents. Now base value is a semi-cyclic diene. The value is again 214, two alkyl substituents, and that is here ring residue, and therefore 2 into 5 equal to 10, and now one carbon-carbon double bond exocyclic to the ring. Here I am showing this bond is exocyclic to this ring, okay, and therefore add 5 nanometer, and therefore lambda max value becomes 229. Now let us see the third example. Here the diene system is shown CH2, C single bond, C double bond. The substituents are A and B. Of course there are alkyl substituents, and therefore the base value for acyclic diene is 214 nanometer. Two alkyl substituents for each add 5, and therefore we are adding 10, and the lambda max value becomes 224. In this example, yes, it is a heteroannular diene. The double bonds are present in two different rings. Okay, here double bond, single bond, double bond, that is present in the two different units. A is one substituent, B is another substituent, and C is the third substituent, and the base value for heteroannular diene again it is a 214 nanometer. There are A, B, C, three substituents, therefore 15 nanometer should be added, and one double bond is exocyclic to the ring B. Yes, the ring B is here, and the double bond is exocyclic, and therefore add 5. Lambda max becomes 234 nanometer. Now here in the next example, homoannular diene is given. Homo, that is the system is present in the same ring. This is the system, double bond, single bond, double bond. System ends here, A is one substituent, system ends here, B is another substituent. Yes, and base value for homoannular 253 nanometer. Two substituent, that is ring residue, add 10, and therefore base value lambda mass becomes 2 63 nanometer. Now, this example, the diene is acyclic. Look here, this is a diene acyclic. Double bond, single bond, double bond. What are the substituents? A, B and C and D. And double bonds, this double bond is exocyclic to ring B. This double bond is exocyclic to ring A. Let us calculate base value as it is acyclic diene 214 nanometer. 4 substituents A, B, C, D, and therefore add 20 nanometer. The exocyclic double bond, to the ring A 1 double bond and to the ring B 1 double bond, and therefore 5 into 2, that is 10, and therefore 10 is added, and thus the lambda max value becomes 244 nanometers. Now there are some more examples. Let us see. The first one is a easy example. Now let us see H example. Here again heteroannular diene system is shown. Double bond, single bond, double bond. What are the substituents? A, B and C. Okay. Now base value for heteroannular diene system is 214 nanometer. 3 ring residues, and therefore 3 into 5 equal to 15 nanometer. 1 exocyclic bond to ring A. This is a bond which is exocyclic to ring A. Okay, and therefore add 5 and lambda max becomes 234 nanometer. Now last example. In this case, homoannular diene system is present. This is a homoannular double bond, single bond, double bond. What are the substituents? A and this is only and 1. B and C. Okay, this is a C, this is a B. Let us see. Base value for homoannular diene system is 253 nanometer. 3 ring residue, 3 into 5, that is equal to 15, and 1 exocyclic double bond. Look, ring B, the double bond is exocyclic to the ring B, and therefore add 5, and hence the lambda max become 273 nanometer. Let us see the calculation of lambda max value in enons by using Woodward-Fisher rules. Now here the first example, the enon system is acyclic enon. Yes, I am showing here. This is the system. Alpha position there is a one substitution, and on beta position there is another substitution. Base value for acyclic enon is 215 nanometer. 1 alpha substituent add 10 and 1 beta substituent add 12, and therefore lambda max value becomes 237 nanometer. In the second example, the system is hexacyclic. This is a hexacyclic I am showing. Okay. Now here on alpha position there is a, this is a alpha position was substitution, and on beta there is another substitution. Base value for hexacyclic enon is again 215 nanometer. For alpha substitution add 10, for beta substitution add 12, and therefore lambda max value becomes 237 nanometer. Now in the next example, the system is pentacyclic ring, and for pentacyclic ring the base value is 202 nanometer. This is pentacyclic. Now there is a hydroxyl group is substituted on alpha position, and on beta there is a one ring residue, that is alkyl substitution. Base value pentacyclic 202, hydroxy substituent on alpha add 35, and one alkyl substitution on beta add 12, and therefore lambda max becomes 249. Now example D, here the enone system is, of course it is acyclic. This is the system. Okay. On alpha there is a one substitution. On beta there is a one substitution. Base value 215 nanometer. One alpha substituent denoted by A add 10. One beta substitution denoted by B add 12, and therefore lambda max becomes 237 nanometer. More examples. In this first case, again acyclic enone is there. This is the system, and here the two substitutions on beta, there is no substitution. On alpha there is no substitution. Base value 215 nanometer. Two beta substitution, and therefore 2 into 12, that is 24, and therefore lambda max is 239 nanometer. Now in the next example, it is the system is here. Here there is a system, okay, and on this system there are A and B are substituents. Of course these substituents are on beta position. On alpha there is no substitution. Base value 215 nanometer. Two beta substituents, 2 into 12, therefore 24, and one exocyclic double bond to the ring B. This is a ring B, and to this ring B the bond is exocyclic, and therefore add 5 nanometer, and hence lambda max becomes 244 nanometer. Now in the example G, the system is here, okay, and extended conjugation is also there. Okay, we are going to see base value is 215 nanometer. One alkyl substitution at alpha, this is alpha position, this is one alkyl substitution, therefore add 10. One alkyl substitution at beta, this is a beta position, this is a substitution, add 12. One alkyl substitution at a delta, now here the conjugation is extended, and beta, gamma, delta, and this is the substitution on delta. Of course for delta add 18 nanometer, and as there is a extension of conjugation add 30 nanometer, and therefore lambda max becomes 285 nanometer. Now in the first case the pentacyclic enone is present. This is a pentacyclic single bond here, okay, pentacyclic enone. The base value for pentacyclic is 202 nanometer. Now one alkyl substitution on alpha, this is alpha position, and this is A substitution, and therefore add 10. On beta there is a beta, B and C, therefore add 24, and one carbon-carbon double bond is exocyclic simultaneously to two ring. This is the bond. It is simultaneously exocyclic to ring A and to ring B, and therefore add 10, and hence lambda max becomes 246 nanometer. Now the last example. The system is, this is the system, and again there is a extended conjugation. Base value for the system is 215 nanometer. One alpha substituent, this is alpha position, this is A substitution. Add 10. There is no substitution on beta. There is no substitution on gamma. On delta, there is one substitution, there is a beta, B, sorry. And therefore, add 18 for delta substitution. Double bond X, this is a X double bond, which is exocyclic to ring A, and therefore add 5 nanometer. Now, for homodiene component, this is the homodiene component. Add 39 nanometer, and the extension of conjugation, the conjugation is, system completes here, but the conjugation is extended, and therefore add 30 nanometer, and therefore lambda max becomes 317 nanometers. Thus we have seen the calculations of lambda max values in dienes and enones using Woodward-Fisher rule. Okay. Now the remaining part will be studied in the next lecture. With this, I conclude my lecture. Thank you.